I'm going to be talking about how to make a video resume. Let's get straight to the point. Welcome to Public Essentials, where life is easier. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make a video resume. Make sure to stick to the end of the video so you can see my video resume example. In 5 steps, here is how to make a video resume. First off, prepare for your speech. In your speech, you will have to include an intro. What are your job goals? Are you applying for a certain position? Is there a certain work field you prefer? What are you interested in? What career path would you like to take? Also, you would have to mention your qualification and work experience. A video resume must be short and straight to the point, and you must also have an outro. 2. Set up your video recording equipment. I recommend you use a high quality camera and a high quality mic so that your video can look professional, which it would actually make you look more professional altogether. Make sure the area that you are recording in is illuminated, clear, and also keep your background neutral. For example, in an office or a plain background. 3. Dress and groom for your video. For your video resume, you must appear as if you are going to an actual interview. Dress professional and also present yourself clean and tidy and well groomed. 4. Now that everything is set up, it's time to record. When recording, make sure to keep eye contact with your camera and also to talk clearly. You can either rehearse your speech and do it all in one take, or you can do it in parts. There's no pressure. And 5. Edit and post. After you have finished recording your video, it's time to edit. When editing your video, make sure to delete any video, audio, or images that are not needed. Make the video short and straight to the point. Add effects and make your video look as professional as you can. In the long run, employers would look at it and see that you're a well-organized individual. Now it's time to post your video resume and leave in the description your contact information where employers can get in contact with you, or depending on the website, to upload your CV. Good day, this is my video resume. Thank you for viewing my video resume. The reason for this video is because I am interested in any job opportunities that are associated with advertising, sales, investing, providing services, and online marketing. I have always had an interest in business, and I see myself pursuing a small business in the future. From time I was in high school, I have been investing from buying and selling products. I have worked in many work fields, and I find that business with investing, buying and selling products to make a profit has been my best interest. Here are my qualifications and work experience. I have graduated from high school in 2012 as an honor student with the passes of mathematics, English, building technology construction, integrated science, food and nutrition, art and design, and social studies. I've went on to work in diverse companies such as CUC, Agriculture Department, Environmental Health, Public Works, Rubus Gas Station, Blackbeard's Trading Company, the Fire Department. I'm currently self-employed, developing my own business, and currently working part-time as a youth leader. I have a high interest in self-development and doing online courses. I'm open for new opportunities, education, and new experiences. If you would like more information, you can contact me in the description for a further CV. Thank you for viewing my video, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you. Thank you for viewing my video, how to make a video resume in 5 steps, and I hope this brought some value to your life. I hope this video will encourage job seekers to properly prepare for a video resume that will increase their chances of employment. Are you tired of applying for jobs and not getting any response back? No emails, no calls, no interview? Now we are trying to encourage job seekers to make video resumes. One of the most important parts in the hiring process is the interview, and with a video resume, it saves time for the employer and also for the job seeker. I wish all job seekers the best of luck of finding employment, and I also encourage you to pursue a career of your interest and increase your chances of finding employment of the career that you actually want. Thank you for viewing my video resume, and I encourage you to make one yourself also. This is Public Essentials, where life is easier. Have a great day.